Welcome back, traders, to another edition of Weekly Currency Reviews for the Fundamental Academy. As I've said before, do not use this video as financial advice, rather use this video as confluence with your current analysis. So if you're seeing a buy and I'm seeing a buy, that's a thumbs up and could potentially be a reason for you to jump in a trade. And obviously that is why we build trading communities, and that is my whole goal with this platform. So as you guys know, I only trade 6 pairs. I trade GBP AUD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY, Euro JPY, and Euro USD. The DXY that you see on my chart, gold and AUD USD, is something I'm testing out at this point in time, and I'm not ready to reveal any of my analysis on those 3 pairs. What I want you guys to do is comment below what other pairs you want me to do. I'll do a complete video on those pairs, breaking it up or breaking it down, just to help you with your trades. So if you're watching this video now, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you find it valuable, and I hope you can find a signal to help you with your charts and hopefully a trade for the week. So let's not waste any time. We are a bit late on this video, so unfortunately some of the moves played out already before I could have sent it to you, and my plan was to send it to you guys about 12 hours prior to recording it, what I'm doing right now. So with GBP AUD, or British pound Australian dollar, I said we could sell below 1.83322, right? This level over here, right? And the reason being is 184 was a key level that we should have sold off this morning, but we missed the trade, and I didn't record that on the video. But obviously what I mean by buy above is if this broke above and structurally that was a trade, you would have jumped in. But obviously if it doesn't happen, you do the opposite of what I put on the label, so sell below, right? The only other trade that we could take is to sell below 1.83332, and our seller's target for me would be about 79.3 pips to hit 81.82 on GBP AUD. We can see the structure is very bullish, hence I put the higher low here, higher low there, higher high, higher high, higher high. The structure is bullish. I wouldn't look for any sells at this point in view. From this point of view. Yes, so let's go to the next pair. The next pair we're going to do is GBP USD. This is one of my favorite pairs for the week as well. Here we can see on the H4 that the structure is bullish, right? Let me make a small label. I'm gonna chuck that in, higher low, right? Another higher low. So we can see the structure is fairly bullish on GBP USD, right? So if I clear this out, what we see is normally with the formation that we're seeing right now, this is a range trade. And range trades can break either way, either through the resistance or through the support, right? Hence, buy above or sell below. But the thing with the range trade is normally it's a continuation trade, and that's what I've seen in the market. And that is why I'd rather look for buys on GBP USD. And if I buy above 142, 152, my targets would be 143, which is a huge level as well. And if it breaks below 141, I'll target 140 or 1.40 on GBP USD. But normally we see this is a continuation of a bull run. But once again, whatever way it chooses to take, we'll be ready for the trade. And remember, with this formation, you need a significant break and retest above the box, either by wick or candlestick rejection, and then you'll jump in on the trade. This is one of the easiest trades to take for the week, so I'll be keeping my eyes on this pair as well. And that is 113 pip ranging area, so that should be quite a huge trade for everybody to capitalize on. The next trade is GBP JPY, and I'm pretty upset with this because this is what I wanted everybody to see once they viewed the video, which would have preferably been uploaded on Sunday, is my sell zone at 156, which is a huge level as well. The trade has played out, it's continuing to play out, and we're about 54 pips up already. So unfortunately we missed that trade, we missed the signal, but hopefully you can find a continuation trade to hit 154.750. I said there's a retest here because the market broke clean and it didn't come retest, and the market needs to respect structure, not always but most of the time. So that is my analysis on GBP JPY. And once again, I want to show you guys here, you can see clearly the structure is bullish. So high low, right? High low, high low, high low. So high low, high low, high low. I didn't put in the top labels, which is higher highs. Let me do that. I'll do that quick. That is what we're looking at, higher high and higher high. So we can see the market is fairly bullish on these pairs. And what I need you guys to see is at the Fundamental Academy, we don't use currency strength indicators. We be a price action academy. And what we do is we use our analysis from our 6 pairs or more to define what pairs are moving the market. So right now what I can see is by looking at all these pairs, I can see that the pound is strong this week, right? And last week. I can see as well that American dollar is strong as well, because with a ranging pair, if a pair is ranging, it's either because the both pairs are strong or both pairs are weak. So I can see the American dollar is strong and the pound. I can see yen weakness. So that is what I'm currently looking at in the market. The next trade I want to show you guys, I'm actually going to jump to the Euro pairs. I'll show you USD JPY at the end of this video. So with Euro JPY, this is our structure, and I put in the labels beforehand already. You can see higher lows and higher highs, and you can see clearly the market is bullish. Now these trend lines are not the proper way to draw trend lines, but I just put them in there to show you guys the market is bullish. At this moment, I actually would have loved to sell at this level, but we missed that trade too. So this is a sell zone. But to be honest with everybody, I don't know what to do on this pair at the moment. I don't know where to find entries. So I'm just analyzing this pair and waiting for more structure to form. This would be seller's target. Seller's target, but we can see the market has already played out the move that we wanted to jump in on. So on this pair, I do not know what to take at the moment. Let's just wait for more structure to form as we go in on Euro JPY. So here we can see again the Euro is winning over the Yen, so we can see Euro strength. And let's see what we see in Euro USD. So with Euro USD, just move the chart to the side. We can see that the Euro has been bullish as well. We've got higher highs and a bunch of higher lows. So the Euro is bullish against the US dollar. So the Euro is winning at this point in time. We did see that we had a potential break of structure with that lower low forming, right? So this could be a potential lower high that we have forming here. Low high. So with this being said, if this is the structure right now, we could be looking at sells. That's why I said my sell zone is at 1.22, which is a huge level as well. And I'd be looking to target 1.21326, which is a previous structural lower low. So that is the trade I'd be willing to take, and that is a 65.6 pip move. And that's why I said maybe I'd sell from that zone. I'd actually jump in the sell right now. So that is a trade that you can potentially take. If the structure doesn't hold, it will buy above 1.22, and we could hit 1.22621, which is the last structural high for Euro USD. So my synopsis for the week this far is that the pound is strong, the euro is strong, and the dollar is winning against certain pairs, but it's losing against certain pairs as well. So we don't know where we are fundamentally with the dollar. Let's see what USD JPY shows us. So this is the current signal that I sent out last week. It still is active this week, along with GBP USD. So what we see here is this is a perfect range trade, right? And with a range trade, like I told you guys, normally this is a continuation run, and we'll have to wait for a significant break and retest above 109,750, right? Because this is a huge level that I've marked up as well. So normally this is a continuation trade. Once again, the trade can go either way, right? Break above, or it could break below, but we do what the market tells us. And at this moment, price has broken above, settled above the box, and we are currently retesting it. If this 4-hour candle does close bullish, we could see this pair going up If it closes bearish, we could see it go back into the ranging area. So hypothetically, I said I would enter at 109,988 and I'll put my stop loss inside the box at 109,541. Right. I actually jumped in on the trade on 109,023. Was quite a bit of a lucky trade, but that is the trade I took. So judging by what I'm seeing on USD JPY, I'm seeing the USD strength coming through and yen weakness. So my analysis for last week, which could potentially continue this week, is I believe that the yen is weak, the dollar is showing a little bit of strength, but most importantly, the euro and the British pounds are showing the most strength in the market at the moment. Anyways, I'm going to do the normal ritual of YouTube videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe and turn on those notifications so that you can get these signals as soon as I send them and hopefully take advantage of them in the market. I hope you guys found this video valuable and I'll catch you guys on the next.